side of the train, you'll see the cemetery of Glen Sheen's western border. The second bridge is over Tisher Creek, also known as Condon Creek, because it flows directly through the Condon estate, the family which built Glen Sheen Mansion. The bridge we are on is 107 feet long and stands 40 feet above the water. Benson's day with a dockside service for pleasure boaters. A relative of Jimmy Orrick's, David Orrick, invented the Orrick vacuum cleaner and was also from Duluth. Famous musician Robert Zimmerman, also known as Bob Dylan, lived and started his career here in Duluth. Don LaFontaine, the famous movie trailer announcer for coining the term Duluth, came from Duluth. And novelist Sinclair Lewis got his start here, as did industrialist Gino Colucci and hockey superstar Brett Hull, all called Duluth home. If you look to the land side of the train, you'll see a large building and sports field. This is the new East High School, location of the former Ordine Middle School, which was named for Albert I. Ordine. Mr. Ordine purchased this land from Northland Country Club, which had planned to use the property as a 6-hole golf course, actually had fairways split by Superior Street. Balls would fly directly over the street. The idea of the golf course was abandoned, and Mr. Ordine gave the property to the city of Duluth. It was to be used as a recreational field. And in 1928, when Mr. Ordine passed away, he left money for equipment for the playing field. In 1954, the city of Duluth transferred the property to the Board of Education, and construction began on the school. It served first as a junior high, then as a middle school, and now as a state-of-the-art East High School. Go Greyhounds!
We are now entering the historic and beautiful neighborhood called Lakeside. The lake is not directly visible from most of this area from the train, but the neighborhood is situated here on the east end of the city, nestled along Lake Superior's shore. A few blocks away, this neighborhood is and plotted to be the village
business neighborhood, London Road, has become one of the most traveled thoroughfares in the city.
Lakeside hasn't always been the peaceful neighborhood you see today. Much of it was destroyed in the Great Fire of 1918. This fire actually started south of Minnesota, about 20 miles south of Duluth. On October 10, 1918, a passenger train was traveling from Duluth to Hemming, and some local people reported seeing a small column of smoke next to the tracks. Minnesota was in the middle of a 2-year drought, and with a pile of very dry wood as fuel, combined with very high winds, there was no stopping the fire from erupting. By October 12th, the fire had spread all the way to Lakewood Township, just past the eastern edge of Duluth. Most of the homes and buildings in Lakeside and surrounding areas were destroyed by the fire. More than 250,000 acres were burned that year in Minnesota, and 38 communities were destroyed. The fires caused $73 million in damage, which is $1.2 billion in today's money. Trains were used to evacuate areas, and not before 453 people perished in the Great Fire of